This tutorial will show you how to use AI for technical analysis directly inside Google Sheets. This approach lets you automate complex chart analysis without leaving your spreadsheet. It's ideal if you want faster insights, clearer trading signals, and less manual effort. So let's get started. I'll be using a third-party Google Sheets add-on called AI for Charts that reads charts within your Google Sheets spreadsheet and sends them directly to OpenAI's API for analysis. The add-on itself is free, but you'll need your own API key. Luckily, setting up an API key on OpenAI's website is straightforward, and the cost per API call is minimal, typically just fractions of a penny. The add-on lets you run 20 charts per day, or a little over 7,000 per year. But if you're a power user, there's a paid tier that allows additional usage and allows you to combine up to 10 separate charts into the same API request. I actually built this Google Sheets add-on myself because I couldn't find an easy, cost-effective solution for technical analysis inside Sheets. The bring your own API key approach eliminates any middleman markup, and since the app runs entirely on Google's infrastructure, your data travels directly between your Google account and OpenAI. You can check out more information about how the add-on works and install it from the Google Workspace Marketplace page, linked in the video description below. Once we're back on our Google Sheet that has stock data, we can click Extensions in the top toolbar, go down to where it says AI for Charts, and then click Analyze Charts. A sidebar will appear on the right, and we can then click API and License Setup to securely insert our OpenAI API key. Getting an OpenAI API key is super quick and easy. You have to go to platform.openai.com to create an account and create a key. I've linked to resources in the video description below of the exact steps for getting one. If you're just starting out, you only need to put a few dollars onto your API key, and I'd also suggest setting hard limits to prevent accidental overspending. Okay, so we paste our API key into the input box and click Save. We're now set to connect to the API. We'll start at Analysis Setup, where we can select the charts we want to analyze. I'm going to select this candlestick chart as well as this other chart, where I've plotted the daily close price, the 20-day simple moving average, and the upper and lower Bollinger Bands. I'll then scroll down to AI Model Selection, where I can choose between GPT-4o or GPT-4o Mini. For this demonstration, I'll select GPT-4o. The roadmap for the app includes updates to newer multimodal vision models as they're released, as well as integrating other AI language models, such as Google Gemini. Now we'll decide how to input our prompt. You can either write an ad hoc prompt directly in the sidebar or read a prompt from a spreadsheet cell. Using a cell-based prompt is particularly useful if you regularly run specialized or complex analyses. The prompt itself significantly impacts the quality and specificity of the AI's analysis. After that, select the spreadsheet and cell where you'd like the analysis results to appear. Below this, you can adjust the temperature setting of the AI request. A temperature of 0 produces deterministic, focused responses, while a temperature of 1 encourages more creative outputs. The default setting is 0.5, balancing accuracy and creativity. At this stage, you'll notice the Analyze button turning blue. Click this button to submit your charts and prompt directly to the OpenAI API. After a few seconds, we'll see that the request went through successfully and inputs directly into the sheet. You can then use the result for your own analysis or workflow. One more thing to mention is that this app is free to download. On the free tier, you get up to 20 chart analyses per day and can send up to 3 charts together with the same prompt. If you require advanced functionality, there's a pro tier available, offering significantly more analyses and allowing up to 10 charts per prompt. This app is brand new and is still in public beta testing. If you find it useful, please think about giving it a review on the Google Workspace Marketplace. And if you have any suggestions for new features, please reach out. I've placed the link to the AI for Charts download page in the video description below, and make sure to subscribe to the Deep Charts channel for more AI tutorials.